Let's take a look on the Kapsa red dot camera, made during the 50s by the Vasconcelos factory. A pretty simple box camera, like those Kodak brownies from the 50s and even before. It has 3 apertures and 2 shutter speeds. Pretty easy to load. Unfortunately, it has a plastic lens, so your final results won't be that sharp. All you need to do is to unlock the box, remove this part, and put the film inside. You can use this camera with a flash, but I confess I never saw someone using it with flash, and I always used only on natural light. Considering it's a pretty light camera, I always thought it was pretty great for street photography and this kind of stuff, so I kinda abandoned the flash, and I think that everyone that had a Kapsa did the same. So film loaded, you close the box, lock it, and we're ready to go outside and take some pictures. Take a look if your film is already on number 1. Here you can change your aperture, your distance, and the shutter speed. You will have 2 viewfinders to look at what you're gonna photograph, and where you can plug your flash if you have one. So let's take a look on the final results. I used an expired film and a brand new one. We won't get pretty clear and sharp pictures due to the plastic lens and a few more stuff, but for street photography and quick stuff, I think it's a great camera to have some fun. I hope you enjoy.